Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Suncommunities easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started budgeting with Suncommunities, first, create an account on their website. Once you've registered, log in to your account. Navigate to the budgeting tools section of your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the various budgeting features available. Begin by entering your monthly income. Input all sources of income, such as wages, benefits, or side jobs. Next, list your fixed expenses. Include rent or mortgage payments, utilities, insurance, and any subscriptions. Now, move on to variable expenses. Think about groceries, dining out, entertainment, and transportation. After you've input all expenses, check the budgeting summary. This summary will show a breakdown of income versus expenses. Identify areas where you can cut costs if necessary. Set savings goals for future expenses or emergencies. Use the goal-setting feature to track your progress. Review your budget regularly to make adjustments as needed. Consider utilizing the expense tracking tool for detailed insights. Regularly update your expenses to ensure accuracy. Take advantage of Suncommunities' resources and tools for additional support. Stay disciplined and committed to your budget plan for the best results. By following these steps, you can effectively budget with Suncommunities for better financial management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.